The fight to protect you from mosquito bites and mosquito-borne illnesses may have hit some thick skin.
New tonight at 6, NBC2's Ryan Arbogast reports on researchers who believe an invasive lizard may expose us to diseases spread by mosquitoes.
It's a cold-blooded battle between two lizards that scientists at the University of Florida say could end with humans as the big loser.
These aren't just obscure mosquitoes that nobody cares about. These are the mosquito species that transmit West Nile virus, St. Louis encephalitis virus, Eastern equine encephalitis virus.
Entomologists Dr. Nathan Burkett-Cadena and Dr. Lawrence Reeves are leading the research team at UF's extension in Vero Beach, using a $350,000 grant to study how invasive lizards spread mosquito-borne diseases.
We've, for a long time, been collecting mosquitoes in Florida and kind of like Jurassic Park, pulling DNA out of their blood meals and learning and using that to learn what kind of animal that mosquito has bitten.
Mosquitoes love to bite these brown anoles, an invasive reptile that's turned the Sunshine State into its permanent home after about 100 years. Scientists at the Florida Fish and Wildlife Commission estimate its population to be in the billions across the state.
This is just a hypothesis that these lizards have been unwittingly protecting us from mosquito-borne viruses, because every mosquito bite that goes to a lizard does not go to a bird. It does not go to a human being.
But in comes these brightly colored beasts who do the exact opposite. Peter's rock agamas have been spotted in more than half of our state's counties this year and are slowly forcing other species out.
So we started to notice the brown anole was sort of disappearing from our built-up environment. And the same time that was happening, these agamas are coming in.
The new kings of the swamp don't attract mosquitoes.
So what are they going to start feeding on? And the second most fed upon host by these vector mosquitoes are birds. So birds are the natural hosts of mosquito-transmitted viruses in Florida, like West Nile, Eastern equine, and St. Louis. And so with the absence or near absence of these brown anoles in areas around where we live and work, what are the mosquitoes going to bite?
In the state of Florida in 2022, 966 people were infected with dengue fever, and 9 caught West Nile virus, according to the Florida Department of Health.
So with the absence of these lizards now, we could see an increase in mosquito-borne diseases.
It's a small-scale fight with big implications, playing out right below our feet on the forest floor. Ryan Arbogast, NBC2.